Finally, we are there. After many long months of work where everybody at the global shaper of our Port-au-Prince were fully involved. Sirius Bertrand was the person who wrote the project by putting all his knowledge and skills. We will always remember the time we spent every Saturday at the hub meeting, focusing on how we can improve the state of the world. Skendi Germaeus, Doralis Junior Jean Gabi, Mark Edward are individuals at the hub who contributed by bringing ideas, resources, and full support to the world team. Big thanks going out to our mentor, Mr. N. Stipenauer, for all his advice and for always being ready to listen to us. The Botanical Park Eco-Technology to Feed the Future Haitian Generation is a quite ambitious project launched at Ganthier near to Fond Parisien on the lands of Bati Ayiti, a company willing to build the first Haitian green city of Haiti, Ville. Prior to the project writing, many surveys have been done in order to see how we can improve the quality of food taken at lunch by our Haitian students.
Non, c'est pas ça. Parce que nous vini, écoute. Moi, pour moi, ensemble avec responsable nous, donc nous vini pour nous comment nous capables d'aider nous, pour nous capables de jouer nos cafétéria scolaire dans l'école là, pour nous capables de manger gratis. OK? C'est dans le contexte ça, pour nous connaître comment nous manger. D'accord?
While leading to that visionary project to end Haiti with a botanical park with many species and varieties of moringas and mangoes for nutrition of our childs, those audible action that will be done. A huge media campaign that will sensibilize the world population and will urge to start a reform of what Haitian students eat at schools. Launching a mobile cafeteria in pilot schools in Port-au-Prince metropolitan area where children will get biofoods that is necessary to their growth. Many thanks to the Coca-Cola Company and the World Economic Forum for making it possible. Shapers, let's keep on working to improve the state of our world.